Hey guys, welcome back to CJ Fun Time. Today we're making a two-part video. The first video is Craft City Make Your Own Slime Kit. And me and Lola want to say thank you to Craft City and Karina Garcia for giving us these toys. Squishy art and Make Your Own Slime Kit by Karina Garcia.
So the slime kit says it was officially out at Target on October 1st. We were a little behind. She sent it to us very early, but we're so sorry because we were swamped and we were able to at least make it for the same month. So it says Craft City believes that crafting should be fun and creation should be on your own terms. Crafting is all about doing things differently. I believe everyone is born to create. So go for it. Hugs and kisses, Karina Garcia.
Yay!
Don't forget to follow her on Instagram and YouTube. So this kit has your official Make Your Own Slime Kit. It includes everything you need. Wow! So check out Craft City online, which is craftcitylife.com. And basically it includes the instruction manual, bottle of slime glue, bottle of slime activator, and so forth. So let's go on and start opening it.
Okay guys, so I just opened it. It has the manual, make the slime, and it has all of it says ready, set, go!
Yay!
Oh, is that goo or go?
Goo, because slime is gooey. Okay,
This is what the kit includes.
Ready?
Clear glue, white glue, activator, a cup, a mixing tool, some glitter, some color, tablets, glow powder, and water gel.
And don't forget Karina Garcia's tips and tricks. Hey y'all! Karina here to give you some of my special tips and tricks for making the best slime with my official DIY slime kit. Now remember, you can modify the instructions depending on the type of slime you want to make. With my kit, get the best quality ingredients to make endless combinations of slime. So turn the card over for tips. Awesome! If you like thicker slime, add a little more activator. If your slime is too sticky, add a little bit of slime glue. This trick even works for opaque slime. Remember to knead your slime in order to maximize gluiness. And squeeze out all of the air bubbles and pull through the slime until you are happy with the texture. You ready to get messy? Yes! Let's get on to it!
Okay, so we're gonna try the translucent slime, and it says to measure 2 tablespoons, about 30 ml, into this cup. So we'll try to eyeball it. It's about 1 tablespoon. It's about 2 tablespoons. Okay.
What's next?
For translucent slime, all you need is a slime activator solution. For all other types of slime, put the add-ons in the slime glue before you add the slime activator solution. Okay, so start adding the add. Fill 1 teaspoon. Okay, so this is that's about 1 teaspoon. More. And then dump it into the slime glue all at once. Oh, there you go. It's forming.
Forming,
guys. Messed it up because we put in the tablet with water and it made it all gooey. See? Fail. So mix it up. Keep mixing until it's nice and gooey. So you probably need a little more. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's turning into slime, guys. Oh, that's some gooey slime. Oh, that feels really good.
So we're gonna get in there and knead it and knead it and knead it until it's nice and good and the consistency is just right.
fun slime. It's very jiggly and it's very gooey.
I love it.
Thank you.
It's like the perfect consistency.
Give this video a thumbs up if you like the slime. And give this video and subscribe to my channel if you like Karina Garcia. Wee, 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 wee. Oh, nice, nice, nice. That's very translucent. There we go. Okay, guys, next we're gonna make opaque slime. Opaque slime means it's not clear.
Okay, so measure out 1 tablespoon of
White glue?
yes, white glue. Yep, that's about 1 tablespoon. Oh no, there's a little bit more. Okay,
Good?
good.
Okay.
It says that measure about 1 tablespoon
Of the color?
of water, and you added the blue earlier, so that's fine. So that's about 1 tablespoon.
Okay,
That's a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, but
Ugh.
we'll probably add more glue to compensate for it. So let's add a little more glue.
Oh,
It's closed.
is that good?
Okay.
Let's mix it up.
Okay, now it's time to add. Oh, it says mix glue and water thoroughly. Good, 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 good.
Oh, it's nice. Okay. Does it say to add the activator?
Now you can add the activator.
1, 2, 3.
So it says 2 teaspoons of the slime activator, then slowly pour it into the cup while stirring glue and mixture. It says for about 5 minutes, so
You have to wait
we'll
5
do
minutes.
the 5 minutes later.
Okay, guys, so we kept on kneading and kneading and kneading, and this is what we got. Our opaque slime.
Okay,
Opaque, sorry.
so this is the translucent slime, and this is the opaque slime. I love them both. They are amazing and perfect slimes. Good job, Karina Garcia. You really perfected these slimes.
Okay, it's ready. It's red!
That's pretty.
Thank you.
That's like a little bun.
It's a poopy.
This one looks. I don't know if that one's gonna swirl.
Kind of sticky. It swirls!
Nice.
Does it pull?
Whoa! That's huge.
Ready?
And it crunches.
Crackle, crackle.
Crackle, blackle, blackle. How about we add some of these glitter in there? Shake, 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 shake.
Ooh,
shake,
nice
shake,
glitter.
shake,
Nice, nice, nice.
shake. Beautiful colored glitter.
That's kind of weird. I did that. Okay. I'm the girl who likes like really poking slime. It's like one of my favorite. Like really. Like. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys. So let's add some of the glow powder.
That's a lot.
So it could be very glow in the dark. Whoa.
We added the
Glow powder.
glow powder. So we're gonna turn off the lights and see if it glows.
And
Oh my goodness, that is amazing!
whoa, that's very glow in the dark.
That's
Mommy!
ridiculously glow in the dark.
Oh.
Nice.
Wow, nice.
That is awesome, guys. Whoa!
Mommy, I'm very chocolate slime.
So guys, as we seen, it was definitely glow in the dark. That was my favorite. And last but not the least, we are going to make some popping sounds.
You want to do it, Mom? I think we'll do it here.
You guys hear that? Isn't that so satisfying?
Yes, Mommy, it is.
That was awesome. Thank you so much, Karina Garcia, for this awesome slime. Look at it. This is something that I can actually play with while I'm working on my desk.
We could show you her desk, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna go on to our next part 2 video, which is our squishy art.
Yeah, boy.
Yay!
Okay, guys, that's it and that's all. And once again, thank you to Craft City and Karina Garcia. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment. Bye!
Bye, Lala! Bye!